Audio Jungle.
Poor Firewolf.
Hey guys, come look at this.
Audio Jungle.
What's going on?
It looks like Firewolf is suffering all types of diseases in his body. There's
Audio
something in his body called adenocarcinoma.
Adenocarcinoma? What's that?
Adenocarcinoma is the cancerous tumor of glandular tissue. It is a very common type of cancer in organs like the colon, lung, breast, prostate, and pancreas.
So it's like, medical disease?
Audio Jungle.
Yes, it is a very common medical disease.
Looks like his body is filled with a ton of medical diseases. Adenoma, carcinoma.
Just how many diseases are there?
Spark, there are many types diseases like adenoma, carcinoma, epithelioma, fibroma, and much more.
His body is becoming very weak.
Alright, in order to save Firewolf, we have to go into his body to cure him.
Audio Jungle.
Hey everyone, today a medical robot from the multiverse has came to check on you. I am proud to present you, Surge the multi-medical bot.
What seems to be the problem, sir?
It's my pelvis, doctor. It's broken, and my stomach is acting up.
I'm going to have to check the caudal.
What is the caudal?
The caudal is the medical term for relating to the tail. It's not an actual tail, it's used or near the tail or the posterior part of the body. I will get to work on helping our other patients. The man has a pain in the anterior of his knee and light numbness in the back of his foot. He also has muscle control problems in his head and has a broken backbone towards the dorsal. He also has a scar towards the ventral, which is on his stomach.
The Spark has allergic reactions and has red, inflamed bumps on his face. He also has a softening of his nails that came from an overexposure to moisture and harsh chemicals.
Bring him to the hospital room right away. After looking at the Spark's skin, he saw that he had inflammation of the skin on his body. This could be the cause of dermatitis. He also has a fibrous histiocytoma in his body, which could be because of dermatofibroma, and his sweat glands have gotten larger. He has inflammation of a sweat gland, which could lead to hidradenitis. He also has an abnormal condition of a hidden nail, which is the cause of keratosis. His nails are also brittle, weak, and easily breaking and splitting. It is clear that he has onychomalacia, softening of the nails.
My younger sister has red burning spots on her face, and her skin is very dry. She also has a yellow tumor and a discharge of sebum. She was sent to the hospital. And my baby sister has a sore throat, often severe and lasting more than 48 hours. She also has been coughing lately, and she has facial pain or pressure around the eyes, cheeks, or forehead, and she has been sneezing.
I've already done a medical check on Tim. The oldest one has a thickening of the skin and dry skin. She also has a yellow tumor and a discharge of sebum. This could be the cause of pachyderma, xeroderma, xanthoma, and seborrhea hair. She will also need a dermatoplasty to fix her skin. We also checked on the youngest one. She has an inflammation of the tonsils, which could lead to tonsillitis. Also, she is suffering from an inflammation of the trachea, which is caused by tracheitis. She also has the inflammation of her nose, which is called rhinitis, and she has inflammation of the sinuses, which is sinusitis. She has a pus in her chest, which is called the pneumothorax. Your father and your mother were sent to the hospital. Your father has stones in his bladder. It could be the cause of cystolith. He also has a kidney tumor containing developing germ cells, malignant tumor, also called Wilms tumor. He has an inflammation and protrusion of the bladder, which could lead to cystitis and cystocele. He has inflammation of the epididymis, which is also epididymitis. Your mother has an inflammation of the endometrium and water in her fallopian tube. She is suffering from hydrosalpinx and endometritis. She also has large and multifocal tumors, certain aggressive cancers like inflammatory breast cancer. For that she would need a mastectomy. She also has blood in the fallopian tube and inflammation of the cervix. which can lead to hematosalpinx and the cervicitis. I will do another medical check on them right away. Madam, it seems like you have inflammation of the ovaries which are called oophorytis. You also have false pregnancy which is a pseudocystis. You have a formation of a blood clot which is thrombosis, and by the looks of your heart and your amnion, I am going to do a amniotomy and an aortogram. So it looks like you have an inflammation of your joint, that is called arthritis. You also have an inflammation of your eyelid which is called blepharitis, and an abnormal white, grey eye, and it looks like I would have to do a colectomy, otoplasty, and mastoidectomy.
We're losing more soldiers. Butterfly Girl has joint pain and stiffness.
It looks like she has inflammation of her bursa which is bursitis. It looks like I'm going to have to do a bursectomy.
That's great, thank you so much. I will find more soldiers and see if there's anything I can do to help.
Due to the blast and your broken bones, you will have to get an osteotomy and you have to get a rachiotomy for the vertebral column. Not only that, but since your skull is cracked, you will need a cranioplasty.
Thank you, Serge.
You're welcome, my friend.